was amazing, right? But the water droplets on the bike have become ice. We are on the way back towards Bumla. Once in a lifetime kind of ride. Good morning everyone from Zemithang. So plan is to go to the hot water spring. On the way to the hot spring, in the backdrop you can see the Gompa and small beautiful town of Zemithang. It's the same river that goes towards the Jung village or Nodnang village, and there we see it as the Jung waterfall or the Nodnang waterfall. And you can see the steam coming from the water. Such a beautiful setting for hot water spring. You can just sit here, relax for hours and hours. And the backdrop is so beautiful. Amazing. Had a refreshing bath at hot water spring. We'll finish up the breakfast and we'll get going along towards the holy waterfall at Chumi Gyatse. Delicious breakfast. Paratha and dal. Yesterday it was really cold. I think the temperature must have gone below freezing. But the water droplets on the bike have become ice. Take a look. It's ice. The time is around 9 o'clock in the morning. We are going towards the holy water or the Chumi Gyatse waterfall now. It shows around 8 kilometers from here. The road to holy waterfall is amazing.
The road from Zemithang town towards the 108 holy waterfall is very scenic. It goes through a forest of tall trees. And river gushing through on one side. The waterfall is known as 108 Holy Waterfall.
The holy waterfall, Chumi Gyatse, see in the background.
And you can literally see the water stream coming out of mountains from 108 different places if you observe closely.
Those are nice cubes. Look at that. We are at the Indo-China border. That's a Chinese highway coming this side. And She is in pink. Picture is around the structure.
There are a lot of beliefs about this waterfall. One of which is the Buddhist Guru Padmasambhava, threw his rosary, which had 108 bits, on the mountains. All these 108 bits created 108 holes into this mountain, and the water started flowing from this. That's the reason it is called as 108 holy waterfall.
Time in India is around 10 o'clock, but it's showing around 12:48. So it has taken the China time automatically, our watch.
We are at Chumi Gyatse Holy Waterfall. We made a family from Bangalore. Bangalore
Hi, this is Shruti.
And ಇವತ್ತು ಉಗಾದಿ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷ ಆರಂಭ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಉಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈನಾ ಬಾರ್ಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಆನಂದ.
We felt really good when we saw our own people.
ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಜಾಗನೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Place is amazing, beautiful, a must visit.
Thank you sir, nice
meeting you.
After visiting Chumi Gyatse waterfall, we started riding towards Madhuri Lake, and Zemithang was our final destination for the day. Riding on the roads with the big snow wall on one side, topped with green trees, tall trees, and valleys on the other side, it's like riding in the Narnia land.
And we are on the way back towards Bumla. And yeah, look at the surroundings. It's just amazing. All snow idea. Too good.
And at some point, we lost our way as well.
बुमला रोड
बुमला पास तो आप गलत आ गए ना, ये गलत आगे हो गया आप तो। बुमला पास तो आपको इधर से ही मिलेगा सर, ऊपर जाके इधर उधर बुमला पास तो ऊपर जाके।
तो एलजीजी आ गया ना मैं।
हाँ एलजीजी आ गया।
अच्छा बुमला पास इधर से लेफ्ट लेना है।
हाँ इधर से ना लेफ्ट लेके इधर बिल्कुल ऊपर चले जाना।
ओके
उधर लिखा हुआ साइड में पत्थर का बना हुआ है बुमला पास 10 किलोमीटर।
थोड़ा खींचेंगे क्या सर?
चलो आने दो।
हाँ ओके डन। कितना किलोमीटर है?
बता दो, यहाँ से लेफ्ट लोगे ना आप,
हाँ
ऊपर तरफ रोड जा रहा है।
हाँ
ऊपर तरफ जाओगे तो साइड में एक पत्थर दिखाई देगा आपको लेफ्ट हैंड पे ही, उधर लिखा हुआ है बुमला पास 10 किलोमीटर।
10।
हाँ
थैंक यू सर। सर जी बुमला यही जाएगा ना? बुमला
The road from Zemithang towards Bumla was challenging but very beautiful and scenic. There were some high altitude patches where we encountered snowfall as well. The feeling of riding on high mountain passes, almost on the head of the mountain, surrounded by snow and slush, is unmatchable. Cannot be explained in the words. Melted snow, gravels, and the slush and deep descent. It was adding to the challenge riding on these roads. But it was all the fun. Finally, when we reached the Bumla PP, felt so relieving and yet felt like it was a tremendous achievement.
So almost 24 hours after we had went towards Chumi Gyatse, we are back to the Bumla PP point, as they call it. It was amazing ride, out of this world, once in a lifetime kind of ride. How was the ride, Chandan?
So until Bumla Pass, the road is very much good. And once we take the direction towards Chumi Gyatse, the road is pretty much adventurous.
The ride towards Shungetsar Lake, also known as Madhuri Lake, is a steep descent. Big and large stones were falling off the cliff because of the melting of the snow.
Bikes are parked there, entered from here, going towards the lake. Shungetsar, also known as Madhuri Lake.
Shungetsar Lake, also known as Madhuri Lake, is picturesque. The snow-clad mountains topped with green trees make it breathtaking. A song sequence from a Bollywood movie named Goila, which featured famous actress Madhuri Dixit, was shot here. And that is the reason this lake is also known as Madhuri Lake. There is a beautiful walkway around the lake. And it goes through pine trees. It's very interesting to walk this road.
Karnataka, Bangalore.
Kasargod.
You're from Kasargod.
Mangalore-nalli.
Border.
Where are you coming from? तवांग से आ रहा है. मैं अभी जमीथांग से ये ऐसा रास्ता ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है. आप कौन सा रास्ते जाएंगे वो उसका ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन.
The road from Shungetsar Lake towards Zemithang is a steep descent and is surrounded by tall snowy mountains topped with green trees. There are a lot of waterfalls on this road. It is a great fun to ride across waterfalls gushing with great speed.
Stopped at this beautiful waterfall on the way to Zemithang. Vasu is drinking water from the waterfall.
You will encounter a lot of Yaaks grazing on the roadsides as well.
Group of Yaaks waiting to
waiting for me to cross the road. I think it's their place. We are on the way to Zemithang and the road is so beautiful. It's just amazing. I'm not sure if the video is doing justice to the beauty of the road, but it's just amazing.
This is one of the most scenic roads in the Tawang circuit. The road goes through a lot of small villages, and it is very interesting to watch the rituals performed by the villagers and also to interact with the villagers.
We have reached Zemithang. Homestay.
Kermo homestay.
Kerma.
Karmus मतलब कर्मू का homestay.
Okay. So Guru, Vasu, she's all gracious homestay.
कर्मू जी हाय बोलिए वीडियो अभी बोलिए
Take a high from Tenzing also.
हाँ.
ताशी
Sorry. RP is there with Rajan. Today's ride was amazing. We started from Damteng, went to Chumi Gyatse. From there we came to Zemithang via Shungetsar Lake.
Till Gopal and
Yeah, ride was just too good.